with Lewis Helps, all things real estate. Check this out, guys. I know you've probably been following along. If you haven't, now's the time. We're gonna show you guys the inside of the property. We've been in this property for about 32 days. It took us in this property. A lot of challenges, a lot of obstacles we had to overcome, but the final product is here. So I'm gonna take you guys for a quick walkthrough, show you guys what we did here, explain to you guys a little bit about how we done. Some of these videos, I do a lot of tips and tricks videos, so if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe for more information on how to rehab properties, fix and flip, also just standard investing and financial literacy. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's just jump right into it. Let me show you guys exactly what we did to this property. We're in Anaheim, California. Nice, sunny, beautiful day. We've had the property listed for only a week, and so hopefully, fingers crossed, we've got offers coming in on the property. So let me show you what we did here at this property. First, we'll start with the landscape. So just a straight desert lot. We had over in this area right here, we had two massive trees in this area right here. A lot of termite rot that we've done here. This side of the property had nothing but dirt as well. It's been really hot, so we got our grass dying out a little bit. Just needs a little bit of water. But come on inside, let me guys show you inside the property, show you what we did here. I don't know, well, you'll see on the pictures, but we did have a big, massive overgrown bush here. A lot of just trash and junk. So come on inside, let me show you what we did. All right, so of course, this right here would be our master new HVAC system. We didn't have any AC in here. Right here up against these walls, right here, and on the other side over there, we have the in-wall mount heat systems and window ACs is what they had here. So we have all new HVAC system inside. Fully upgraded. I wanted to make sure my buyers were comfortable in their home. Upgraded the bathroom, all new carpet, all new baseboard. All bedrooms get new ceiling fans, all new windows. Same for that bedroom. All right, so this, we actually had a wall here. Brung the wall down, there was just one entry right here. Redid the kitchen recess lighting. All new porous tops, soft closed drawers, new stainless steel appliances. This is one of my favorite features we did to this property. So here, this was actually just part of the garage. So this was just a raw wall here, and it was just an extension to the garage. So we drywalled up, we drywalled the ceiling, we came in, brung appliances for your washer and dryer here, painted the floor, baseboard. I think it came out really, really nice. Recessed lighting. Same here, 2 more bedrooms, 1 more bathroom in there. So back here, we didn't do much at all. I don't really do much for backyards. I let the owners kind of have their own potential. With flipping property, you want to just kind of take the property to your max of where you're going to see a return on that investment. Right here, we got a big, massive tree. So we're still going to do a little bit back here, but we did have a big, massive tree right there. We had filed down. It was growing into the side of the house. So, new compressor. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. All things real estate, for rehabbing, education. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'm Terrence Lewis with Lewis Helps. Oliver, show them what's up. I'm out.